everyone, it's me, Hunter, here in Gail's Adventures and Mysteries, and we're here at Bird Nest at the daytime. We're here doing this, and we're here to explain what actually happened. And I'm here. My grandmother's over there talking over there, and we're showing the spot where that spirit. I don't know where it was. It was somewhere around this area around here. And they ran around this area. All I did was I was the only one last in this area. Okay, remember my grandmother told you off on the explaining video that her other spirit box said something about a hole and shit. Yeah, there was a little pothole right here, and my little brother freaking tripped over it right here. Roderick, the little one, the kid, and I was the last one. All three of them came out before me, and then when I turned my camera, there was a figure that stands from this spot right here, if y'all ever see it. So yeah. So my grandmother's over there spirit talking over there, and I think she got a few responses over there. Let's go over there and see. Let's go over there and see. Okay, I'm here at the gate right here in Bird Nest, so we're here. And let's get into it. Time to meet them. And viewers, this is the part when I heard the freaking running sounds in the grass in that video. It sounded like it came from like that way. And that was them. Like that. I'm gonna head over there to my grandmother and we're gonna do a little spirit talking and see who was that. It was a woman, but we don't know who it is. So we might have think it was someone around here. So we're just gonna tell them some questions and see who it is. So here we go. So this is the one that passed away from that motorcycle accident.
Oh, was it you? What's the name of it? What's the name of this person, this headstone? Yeah, she's pretty.
She's younger than Brandy. She had how many kids?
4. I want to ask him who that was, Shane. Now, so you go there and tell him your story, what you seen, and where it walked off at.
Okay, viewers, my uncle's gonna give y'all a little story.
This is Shane. And that night when we came out here, I was standing over there when I was walking in, and I seen a dark figure about right in here, going off that way.
And do you remember what it looked like?
It was like a shadow of a man. I could tell by the head, but it didn't have no. I couldn't see like from the waist down, but I could see like from the head up. But it took off this way and it went out toward that fence. And when my mom and him shined the light, it disappeared.
It vanished away. Like,
But I saw that with my own eyes. I don't know if it was going to that grave over there or what. But it was right in here where I saw it. And as you can see, the graveyard really ain't that big.
it's not really that big. I mean, like, look around it. It's not that big. It's just a little box.
Yeah, I thought it was bigger than this though.
I thought it
Didn't
was.
you?
I thought it was bigger, but it's just a little bitty.
Let's go see what this grave is over here, Hunter. See if it's a man. Because I seen that figure go up this way.
It was going in circles. Okay. So this has to be. If it's a man's name, then it knows it's him.
Charlotte Long.
It's a woman, Charlotte Long.
Yeah.
Who is it?
I don't know, Mama.
Dang.
Charlotte.
You got a lot of lovers out here, don't
It has to be a lovelet. Like,
Yeah, it is.
they? Ain't no graves over here, man. What's the markers on that can?
I don't know. Maybe.
those numbers, plot numbers. I think they're for plots. Right, all by yourself.
Enough room for God to come get me.
So, yeah, there was a strange thing. And by the way, we keep on hearing snapping noises that night. Say one more. What about those twig snapping noises
What?
that we heard at night?
Yep. I just wanted them to see what it's like out here. And what do you think about it?
It's mid-fall.
What is that, Mom?
I didn't cut this on.
Huh?
I didn't cut this on.
Cut on the trail?
Yeah. I didn't. Okay. Tell me what headstone am I sitting in front of? Can you tell me that?
Martha Louise Felice.
No. Tell me where I'm sitting. No, it won't tell me. What's the name of it? Huh? What's the name of this headstone? Tell me. Are you gonna tell me? Huh? What's the name of it? Tell me. Huh? Can you see it? What's the name of it? Huh?
Who is it?
Who is it? What's that name? Can you tell me one name?
They're trying to figure it out.
Huh?
Cheeto chips.
That's strange. You smell Cheetos? I smell dirt.
You smell it?
It smells like dirt. Is it really that like that?
I just wanted to sit down.
She's on the grave.
Mm. Hello, Miss Felice. You want to talk to me? What was that?
Did she say hello?
Yeah, what was that noise? You want to talk? Miss Felice.
Hold on.
Huh?
Hello?
I heard a man with a deep voice says, "Hold on," like that.
I didn't, bring my spirit talker.
Should've brought it.
You never come out here prepared, man.
I know it. I gotta get my bag. Start getting my
Is it
bag.
still running?
Yeah, it's still running.
Yeah, y'all go ahead and talk. Go talk.
So here's, I think it is, say that there were spirits here that night, but we still need to answer a lot of questions. Who was it that was following me last night? We don't know. All I remember is my mom saw it. It was a woman with a blue shirt. It looks like a faded blue shirt. You can't see its face. You see its arm. And it's gone in a split second when I turned that camera. We were all huddled up in one spot right here that night because they were all gathering our energy for scaring us. But boy, it did. Like, this is the spot. I was standing right here, and there were noises from that way. There were like twigs snapping from in different areas. Like they were all making us all huddle up. But it was so pitch black you can't even see shit straight. Birds.
I see you got it on your headstone.
Nice trees. Tree limbs keep on falling. Luckily it didn't hit no headstones. Yeah. Luckily it didn't hit no headstones. Seeing a hummingbird over there eating, I don't know what he got in his mouth. Looked like a bug.
Talk to me. You wanna talk to me?
Look at this. Look at this. These itty bitty children's headstones on a tree right here. And you can't even make it out what it says. They don't have no words on them. Looks like it's been washed off. You can see a little bit of words on that one. I can't hardly read it. Here's if you can see, you see that. If y'all can read that, come. You can see the word come, but not for. That's something else. I can't even read that. I can't even read that. Okay. I'm gonna go over here and check out that tree over there.
How we in danger?
You can see my grandmother, my mom, and my uncle over there talking to spirits
How
over
we
there.
in danger?
But now this is just only me. Ooh, I like this. Nice shade oak tree. Big oak, big arm tree. Look at all that bark and stuff.
Bye-bye.
Wow. It's weird that you can actually like lean over this tree and lean over and picture yourself like on an oak tree right up here and reading a book, eating an apple, and just think about the good old days. Not in the graveyard, right? Some relaxation in the graveyard. I mean, you're sitting in a meadow when there's horses running across the fields, and you right next to a big oak tree, eating an apple and reading a good book, and just thinking about it. Yeah. Go over here, and look at that. There's a swan. There's a broken statue of a swan. And there's a little angel thing right there. Shaped like an angel. There's a dead tree. Ooh, looks like a hand. Looks like people are picking up wood and piling it up. I'm walking around, looking around. I'm just looking around. Look at that. Oh, it's that same tree. Well, falls are coming. You know what that means when fall's coming.
Yeah.
There were butterflies up there. So viewers, I'm gonna go back to my okay. So viewers, I'm gonna go to my grandmother, and she's calling me now, and I'm about to go over there. Let's go.
Turn it off. You turned it off?
No, I haven't turned it on. So what do y'all got?
Oh, we were looking around doing a little spirit talking. But do you believe in spirits? Let me know.
Yeah, let
Did
us
you
know.
understand what he's seen?
Yeah,
Let us know.
let us know.
What's up, y'all? It's great. I'm walking all over.
And they have those little bitty headstones. I don't know what it is. They look gold and they don't have names on it. It'll be a while when we come back here. It'll be a good while.
I hate to tell you this, there's ghost all over here. I got chills.
Do they have spirits around us? Sure they do. Where am I standing in front of? What's the name of that headstone?
Can't come with us, stay here.
Huh?
Jesus' name, stay here.
Be careful.
What's the name of this headstone that I'm standing in front of? Well, can I ask you, is there spirits around here, around us right now? How many? That's what I'm asking you.
How many of us are there?
How many of us was walking around in here?
It's something.
What kind of shirt am I wearing? Huh? Get out. If you could see me, what color shirt am I wearing? Can you tell me? No, dark. Well, yeah, I got black on. But what color is it? Huh?
What it has a picture of.
Yeah. Can you see me?
What picture of it is on her shirt?
What color is it? Well, what color is it? Oh, so you can't see me, can you? Huh? Yes, I can. What color, if you can, what color shirt do I have on?
What color shirt does she wear?
Come on, you said yes, I can see you. Well, what am I wearing? Uh-uh.
What color of the shirt is my blue?
Blue, goddamn! Did you hear that?
I heard you.